Hi, brother. How are you? Good morning.
Yes. Good morning. Uh, Also you.
How are you?
Uh, And I am fine. What about
Okay.
you?
Yeah, I'm also pretty good. I'm doing great. So, what about here? Like, is it cold over there? Are you feeling cold?
Yes, we can say in the before the weeks, cold monsoon in Delhi suddenly arrived.
Okay, I think winter, summer came over
Yes,
there. We talk
yes,
about in Mumbai. Here is like we are feeling too hot in winter,
yes,
summer. Seriously.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
Anyway,
I
could you
think
tell
it
me
is
about your?
also yes. I
Yes,
think
tell me.
it is also good because in Delhi in these days the pollution are cover all Delhi, but whenever the rain has come, whenever rain has arrived, and also we can say over, we can say um, and air are coming, we
Okay.
can say wind, then pollution has gone here
Yeah.
through
Yeah.
the
Yes, in Delhi, like I heard about, I saw in the news also, like whenever come to any kind of season, like raining, winter, and we can say sunny. So over there, people are facing a little bit trouble, like about raining everywhere. It's like a drown a city. Then after that, winter, summer also, like fog is going on the road, like a dim, like etc.
yes, yes, yes. People are facing lots of problem while the pollution has arrived in Delhi.
Okay. So anyway, brother, come to the point. Could you tell me about yourself, little bit? Like who are you? Where are you calling from?
Yes.
Your name? Yeah.
My name is Muhammad Akbar Alam and I am from Delhi right now. But my origin state is Bihar. But I have been living in Delhi around 10 years, you can say. And my all education I have completed from Delhi also with CBSE board.
Okay.
And I have now I have completed my graduation from DU. And
Okay.
what about your education?
Yeah, brother. Actually, I done my graduation 2017. Then after that, I was working in hotel sector as a front office. Then I worked, and nowadays I'm searching a job like airline industry. We can say handle the passenger in the ground staff job. So I'm preparing
Yes,
my interview, and I'm learning. That's the reason I'm learning English language. It's very important for my job for in future time. Everyone, it's very important about language. English is we
yes,
can say global language. Okay.
yes, yes.
So brother, like what's your future plan, and what is the reason why you are learning an English language yourself? What is the reason?
Mm, it is there are not more reason, but I am we can say I am an irregular person. That's why I haven't been able to speak English fluently. And I think I have practicing to learn English around 2 years. But I
Okay.
have already said you I am irregular person, and main reason is that I think. I want to go abroad in a
Okay.
future. And one more reason is that we can say as a become in the. I think I want to as a proudness. We can say,
Okay.
make a proudness. That's why I'm learning English
So why you
because
are
I
going to
yes
yeah, why you are
I'm
going to
saying
abroad? Mm-hmm.
I'm saying because of the in India people are many times people are measuring any person uh, by his language, and that's why I want to learn. And we can say I have knowledge about Hindi and Sanskrit and Urdu also, but I want to learn one more language. That's why I'm learning.
Okay, that's great. So what's your future plan? Like what do you want to become in like future, like employ businessman, and like IT sector, and what kind of you will make your career?
No, no. I want to make in a future. Yes, in the future I want to make own business. But
Become a
in the we can say struggle period, I want to earn some money. After that, I will make my own business. Suddenly, it is not possible.
yeah, I know that, but it's it's
It
we
is
can
our
say like
compulsion time. It is our
yeah.
compulsion time.
Yes. So, bro, how do you improve yourself? How do you practice yourself? Because I think so you don't have a partner and environment also maybe not good. English
Yes, sir.
language we can.
There are not any environment over there.
So, how do you practice yourself?
I think through the YouTube, I am listening very uh, kind of the kind related to English. There are lots of video on the YouTube. If you want to learn English, it is easy. Search and use it.
Okay.
And in these days, I am also took admission in FEA. There are the free uh, class. You can,
Okay.
I think it is online class. This sorry,
Okay.
there are the online class, and there are lots of participated there, and we can also join them.
Okay. Yeah, that's great thing. Hmm. So like, do you realize whenever you conversation, so are you feel too stuck about your vocabulary about
Yes,
sometimes?
I'm not facing while I'm speaking. I'm not facing any pronunciation problem. I am facing when suitable word. When I know many suitable words. When the times come for speaking, then I forget all
Okay.
rule and regulation, grammar, all things.
Mhm. Yeah, doesn't matter. See what happened in conversation, duration conversation, it's not important to like grammar part and like we can say mistake, doesn't mistake, it's not important. First thing, how to you understand in front of people, it's very important. How to convince, how to present your idea, speech, talk about in front of people, it's very important.
Yeah, I
And
understood and I observed think what he is saying while conversation. But whenever my terms comes, then I forget the word.
no problem. So depend on practice. Before I told you, if you practice more and more, automatically your tongue will be producing a English language word, grammar, everything. Automatically you will learn. So depend on your practice. And I think you have a like some group language. Yeah.
Can you repeat? I didn't
Okay.
hear your voice.
Yeah, I'm talking. I'm talking like I think you have some group about English language. So this kind of like you are talking with strangers. So is it beneficial for you or not? Are you satisfied these things?
Yes, I totally satisfied. But
Okay.
not. I am practicing there only 2 weeks. For two
Oh,
weeks,
2 weeks.
I have
See,
been practicing. Sorry, I have been practicing there for 2 weeks.
only for 2 weeks. Okay. Suddenly, what happened? Like, why did you decide to improve your English language? You told me like I started my journey before 2 years, past 2 years. Am I right?
Yes, but that time I am also preparing our graduation. We can say along with I am practicing that. Uh,
Okay. So nowadays, like before 2 weeks ago, you started your journey English
because
language.
yes, in these days I am totally focused myself on this English because because of the pandemic. Okay,
Hmm.
I am free, and
Okay.
that's why I decided that in this I think we can say use this time. We can say
Okay. In lockdown
take
period,
yes,
lots of people try to learn
take a
something because
profit
we
of
don't
this
have a.
time.
Yes, it's perfect to learning time. Seriously, yeah, you're right. It's perfect to learning time, and just learn about something. See, if you learn a language, definitely in future time, this is your plus point. We can say and English is everywhere. Definitely English will be helping everywhere, your job, your career, your business, anything. So it's a
Yes, yes,
very important to our life.
yes. I
And
agree with your point.
yeah.
I agree with your point.
Yes, yes. Because like we are educated. First thing we can say we are educated. Okay. Then if you talk with English language, then our relative, our colleagues, our environment always talk with a stranger, talk with good behavior with us, and they know very well. Like if you speak very well English language, definitely they will think about he's a good person. He's a like learn something, educated. We can say. And
I
if you
have already said you proudness.
yeah, yeah, I know that. And if you talk about like you done your graduation and a little bit experience, any kind of, but you wasn't speak proper, okay, you are not speaking good, you don't have a command for communication skill and conversation, then people will comment me. People will comment like he's not, he don't know English language, and people judge seriously because I saw environment, atmosphere in our neighbor also. But
Yes, yes,
whenever you conversation, whenever you change your way and talk about English language and good behavior, people will seriously compliment you. People will
yes,
like come visit you with you and talk about like can you help me, can you support me. Seriously, it's gonna help her. And this is very important for our life, yeah. Seriously, English is very important. Yeah.
yes, yes. And
So
one more
always,
thing I want to please introduce yourself. I forget.
yeah. So my point of view, like brother, always just keep going, fight with English, and whenever you feel too stuck, get a problem, some kind of, then think about like why I'm learning English language, what is the reason. Definitely you will get answer. Again you stand and again you fight with English language. Don't give up, don't make a complicate like it's very like hard and tough job. No, depend on your struggle. And it's very simple language, because why I'm taking, you have a many way to, you can learn your English language about we can say we have a YouTube channel, video, listening podcast, reading and speaking. Already you have a WhatsApp group, fantastic group. And I think around 600 to 700 people on this group. You can call every day, every time, and talk about little bit conversation like 1 hour, 2 hour, okay, and ask about a future communication. This kind of thing you can improve yourself without any cost, without any, we can say like take admission without any maybe you heard about Camly app, okay. So this
Yes, I have
application,
already.
yeah, they charge like a huge of amount, so
Yes,
expensive.
huge amount. They are so
Yeah.
expensive to learn if you are want to learn over there.
Yes. So people are not afford easily. If you talk about middle class family and lower class family, it can't afford. Okay, so it's very easy way to learn English language on like some WhatsApp group, some free of cost application, and take a attend a online classes, watch a video, audio, reading part. Without any cost, we can learn English language. Seriously,
Yes.
this is very simple way and good way.
Okay. And one
Yeah.
more thing I want to ask you.
Yes. Tell me.
Uh, Please introduce yourself. I forget.
Okay, okay, no problem. I'm going to tell again my introduction. Like, my name is Tamir, and I'm living in Mumbai. Okay, and I done my graduation. Then after that, little bit I have a experience in hotel sector, and I want to also go abroad, brother. This is my aim. I want to go abroad in Gulf country like Qatar, Dubai, and second countries like Singapore. I want to do with job like it's I want to make a good career about professional level. We can say like
Yes,
uh,
hospitality.
yeah.
Yes, I think you are interested in hospitality management.
Yes. Yeah, I'm interested to way, brother. Like one of aviation, second of hospitality. I love it because already I done my study from these things, so I'm interested. Yeah.
Okay, it is good, nice.
And brother, I think we have to go right now. Okay. So thank you very much for connecting
And
with
one more
me.
thing. Yes,
Yes,
brother. One. Can
tell me.
you can you mm, can you speak every day with me?
Yeah, of course I can. Brother. You feed call me. Okay, I'm always with you. Okay, whenever you feel too
No,
stuck,
no.
whenever you,
At a specific time, if you have free,
yeah,
every
always I'm in
one
night time, brother. After 10 o'clock
night.
in night time. Yeah.
Okay, but no, we will discuss on a selected topic. We will.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course. No problem. Topic is very important, brother.
Because
Seriously.
without
Whenever,
topic, how long we will speak?
yeah, right. So anyway, we can meet on WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry. I will keep.
Okay,
Okay, I will touch
okay.
with
I
you.
will
Don't worry.
send before the conversation. I will send the topic, and after 10, I will we will discuss every day. It is possible, bro?
Yeah, brother. I'm always agree with stranger people. I love the communication. Okay, don't worry.
Because
Okay,
your communication is good right now, and
okay.
I also want to improve uh, myself.
Don't worry, brother. I will help you. Don't worry. I will help you. I'm here for you, people. Okay. Don't
Okay,
worry.
one more question. If I am facing some problem, then I will say you, brother, delete this video from the YouTube. You can do it.
Yeah, brother. Don't worry. I will. Okay.
But I will not say right now delete this video. But after that, after if I am facing any such types of problem, then I will be inform you. Otherwise, it is going on.
Yes, yes. Of course. No.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye,
And
bye.
also share me you
Yeah.
link. Okay.
Of course. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day, brother.
Have a nice day. Also.
Bye, bye.